Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy. I am the art director at Art Explorer Academy and today's session is Friendship Day. So friends plays a very important role in our life. So today we are going to make two cards for Friendship Day. Hope you will enjoy.
I am making I took a A4 sheet. I'm repeating it once again. Take a separate A4 sheet and just fold it from the middle. So it will be like a card like this. You can open it. So from here, we are going to write besties forever. This one. Okay. So this is you can see it's a pattern design. Okay. So it's like a mandala. Okay. So now I'm making, because this is the slanting one. So this is written like this, and we have to leave the space for forever. Okay. So I'm going to make this line first. So I'll take a 15 centimeter line, slanting like this, and I will make a mark of 2 centimeter from here like this, and 2 centimeter from here, and I will make 2 centimeter down as well. Okay. Okay. And now I'll make a line just below that line, center line, and above that line. Okay. So I made this. So we will start from this line and I will write B. Okay. So I'm writing a B here. So this is B, and I'm just giving it a big curl. And then from here, just I'm giving a big curl and a turn. Okay. And then from here again, I'm just making it little wide, and then again a turn. Okay. So this is our B. And now I'm making E. So I'll make E. Like this. And inside again, I'm starting from here. I'll make a 1 second, just a minute. So I need to make it a little wider. Okay. Like this. Okay. So this one also I need to correct it a little bit. Just make it little wide. B. And then I'll make S from here. I'll just make a curl and it will go down and it will go up like this. So from here again I'm making a loop. So this one was inside. Okay, so now I'm making the outside loop. Like this. And then will make T. So I'm adding some design here. T. Okay. And then I. And then I'll make and then S. Okay. So this is besties. Now I'm writing 4. So you have to write 4 very small. So I'll just write so I'll double it at the time of coloring only. For ever. This is E and V, then E, and then R. Okay, so best is forever. So now I'm going to outline it, and after that I'll erase my pencil mark. So I'm using the DVD marker. Okay, so B is done. Now I'm going to make E. So you can make the corrections, whatever we were not able to do during the when we were doing it with the pencil. So whatever mistakes we have done, so we can just correct it while outlining it. Okay. So I'm just going to make it little more nicer. Okay. So now can join E and S, and then just outline it beautifully and give the nice curves. Okay, so this is besties, and this is forever. Okay, so now I'm going to erase my pencil mark. Okay, so I hope everybody is done.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, can I show my picture? Yes, how to do this?
I will check it afterwards. Please let everybody try to complete it.
Ma'am,
I'm
I
waiting
am done.
for 5
Can you
minutes.
Ma'am,
I-
how to do this?
I will see after the class, beta.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Ma'am, this is Shravya.
Yeah, Shravya, this is good.
Ma'am.
This is good. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
is this the mandala art? Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Oh, you have colored also, Shehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, very good, Shehan.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am, should I send in the WhatsApp?
Yeah, you can send the picture. Okay. So
Ma'am,
everybody.
can I post it in the Facebook also? Ma'am, we need to color it. Teacher. Ma'am, we need to color it this.
No, you can color it. Otherwise, you can just leave it like that.
Okay. We take different colors to draw.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
But otherwise, I need to color it this too. I'm not sure. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I am done.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am, is this a mandala art? Ma'am?
Beta, it's a pattern art. Okay.
Ma'am? Ma'am, but we haven't done any pattern. Ma'am, I did not have CD marker, so I used my sketch pen. Ma'am? Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, otherwise I color it. Ma'am, otherwise I color it every day. Ma'am, can we use pirate pen?
You can use anything, whatever supplies are available with you. Okay.
Ma'am, can we use gel pen?
Anya, Anya, Anya.
Ma'am, can you show how to draw the
If we are
E1?
done, ma'am, can
The
we
E.
leave? Is that okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
We completed. Can we leave the class?
ma'am, can you please go ahead?
No,
Can
you
we-
have.
Do you see my drawings?
Ma'am, is the
I will
class
say afterwards.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is
I
the
will
class-
take. Now I will take my DVD marker and I will complete it. I'll make the patterns in the bestie forever.
ma'am,
So, yes. So you can just make the patterns like this.
Ma'am, I have colored it. So what should I do, ma'am?
Okay, then you can leave or you can watch.
ma'am, can we zoom it a
Thank
bit?
you, ma'am.
We need to
Bye,
different
ma'am.
color
Bye bye.
to draw coloring.
Ma'am, I
I'll
will
do-
send the photo to you.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
No,
Bye,
whoever.
ma'am.
I am not done yet. Drawing is not complete. Please do not leave right now. Please fill it completely. You need to make the patterns. Okay?
Ma'am, you said we can make patterns.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am, we need to use the different colors.
No, no. You can use only the DVD marker. Okay? So you can make circles, small triangles, or
Ma'am, can
lines.
you use gel pen?
You can use gel pen. Yes. So I'm making the lines here.
Ma'am,
But I already color it now.
That's okay. You can make the background, some flowers you can make. You can make the border outside.
Okay, that- Ma'am, can you show how to draw T? Ma'am, can you show how to draw T? Ma'am, can we use?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we
What is
use
no T? Please
to
listen.
color
Please.
it? Ma'am, we need to. Ma'am,
This is how we have to draw the T. Please listen and focus. This is how you have to make the T. And there is a curve like this and like this. And to make a circle in between.
ma'am,
This is like this.
can we also make flowers?
Yes, you can make flowers if you have space. Because there is a very less space. So I would suggest make a line or small triangles or semicircles to fill up the space.
But ma'am, I have space.
Okay, fine then.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we need to draw into flowers.
Yeah, you can draw the flowers. So I'm drawing the lines inside the. Please note. So I'm just going to complete it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm drawing flowers.
Okay. You can draw flowers.
Can I make myself the pattern inside it?
See, you can make zigzag line, you can make triangle, you can make semicircles.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm done. Can I leave?
Yes, whoever is done, they can leave. Please don't forget to send the picture.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Now I'm done. Ma'am,
Yes, Shravya, I can't hear you. Please increase your volume.
ma'am,
Yes.
how to draw flowers?
How to draw flowers? You can draw flower like this.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Now, can you see my drawing?
I will see after the class, beta. I have to complete it. Okay.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Can I add some flowers
You
near
can
my
add.
painting?
Yes, yes, yes. You
Okay,
can add
ma'am.
flowers. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like we did the circles in this card. Can I do the flowers like in this card?
Yes, yes, yes. You
Okay,
can.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, maybe looks like an art for some reason.
Looks like what?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Looks
I'm
like
done,
an
ma'am.
art.
Art.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
I'm
the
done.
letter R.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Whoever is done, they can leave.
Yes, please.
Please don't forget to send the
Bye,
picture.
ma'am.
Bye, 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 guys. Whoever has completed.
Ma'am, can we make different patterns?
Yes, you can make. I'm making different patterns only. You can make patterns of your choice. I am making lines, semicircle, triangles, dots. You can make checks also.
Ma'am,
It's like a
can I leave?
yes, yes.
Ma'am, mine is done. Can I leave?
Yes, whoever is done, they can leave. Just make the border. Okay, just make the border of the card so that it will look beautiful. And you can just double the forever. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm using another color pen instead of, black marker.
Yeah, that's
Teacher,
okay. That's okay.
teacher, I use this one for color pencils. Ma'am,
That's okay. You can use color pencil as well.
ma'am,
Yes.
how to make E?
E. You have to make E like this. See E. So this is inside and this is outside. Like this.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. I'm done.
Okay, Shravya.
Ma'am,
Whoever
I
is-
made the borders with the flowers.
Very good, lovely.
Ma'am, can I make the border with black sketch pen? So
Yes, you can do it. So I'm just going to double the forever. Okay. So I'm not going to make any pattern in forever. So I'm just making it double, triple outlining so that it get highlighted.
ma'am, can you see?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can I make dots?
Ma'am, can we highlight the besties also?
Yes, you can highlight.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I make dots?
Yes, you can make dots. You can make flowers. Anything you like, you can make. So this is best is forever, and I'm going to make the border with the black sketch pen. Another card is ready. So today we have made 2 cards in the class for Friendship Day. Yes,
Ma'am, can you wait 5 minutes?
I'm waiting, dear. You can continue and complete.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
add a quote as the borders, ma'am?
Ma'am, this is Shravya. I am done with both.
Thoughts you can
with
add
both
with
my
the
cards.
patterns.
Ma'am, this is Shravya.
Yes, Shravya.
Can you see my drawings?
Just 1 minute. Let me complete this. I'll see
Okay,
your
ma'am.
drawing. You can make the background with the pencil color as well. Okay.
Background with pencil color. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Drawing.
Ma'am, can we make Indian flag?
You can make, but this is not the theme for India flag. This is for Friendship Day. So if you want, you can make 2 girls or 2 boys. You can make your friends.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, this is
Can you-
Adya. Ma'am, can you see?
Ma'am, this is Shravya.
Ma'am, can you see?
ma'am, can you see my drawing?
Yes. I saw your drawing, Alvin Mary Joseph. Yes. The drawing is good.
Ma'am, this is Shravya.
Yes,
Ma'am, this-
Alvin Joseph, I saw your drawing. This
Can you
card.
see next drawing?
Yes, Shravya. Wow. Beautiful, Shravya. Very good. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you see
Can you
mine?
see next drawing?
Yeah. Okay. So
Ma'am, Adya.
please complete it. Adya, where are you, Adya?
Flowers
Yeah.
in the
Janisha Josh. Yes, it is good. Good. Yes, Jovina, it's very good. Where you added the border also with semicircles. Jovina, very good.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
It's looking beautiful, Jovina.
Ma'am, Adya.
Ma'am, I have not done
Yes. Adya, very good. Adya, good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you guys, you can just fill up the background with the pencil color as well. So you can just make the background like this. Okay. With the green, pink or blue color, pencil color. Or yellow. So just you can add the little highlights in the background.
Ma'am, I don't have pencil colors.
That's okay. Then you can skip this step. It's absolutely fine. This is extra step. Okay.
Can you
Designs or we can even also color. Ma'am, can we make a border of heart?
Yes, you can make.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we make designs and can we also, ma'am, can we make designs Or we can color the alphabets.
Yes, you can color. You can color. You can show your creativity. So you can add extra
But ma'am,
elements.
I decided I want to decorate a few of the letters and color in a few letters.
Very good. Very
Use a
good. You can
pencil
do
to color the water.
what?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Only
we add a cloud around it?
What, beta?
Ma'am, can we add a cloud around it?
Yes, you can add a cloud.
Ma'am.
Okay. So my card is ready. I'm not going to add anything else.
I use my right
Done.
color that once.
Okay. So bye everyone. Today's class is over. So we
Ma'am?
just used the 2 cards.
And someone is showing tomorrow to class. Tomorrow.
Sketchpen and other one is
Ma'am? Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
bye everyone. Bye.
Ma'am, can you take tomorrow?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye Shravya. Bye Prisha. Bye Ashas.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
Mananshi. Bye bye everyone.
Ma'am?
Share the Facebook page.
Ma'am?
Drawing.
I sent the link in the WhatsApp group. You can upload your drawing in that link.
Ma'am, you shared both.
Ma'am?
I,
Friendship Day one and
Ma'am?
yes,
Ma'am? Ma'am?
yeah. I will send the other link also.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Bye everyone. Yes.
Ma'am,
Please,
ma'am.
quickly hurry up. Who is speaking? Please.
And ma'am,
Evening, Mary.
just arrived at my house. I'm gonna stay for just 2 days.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
He's gonna just right now come back in the
tomorrow
evening
take
with
some
my father.
class.
Tomorrow no class, beta. Tomorrow is break. Okay? No class tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow is a break time because today we're gonna have 2 drawings and who knows.
Yeah, that's
And
why.
you
we are
never
with
2
you.
drawings and today is just a
And
surprise.
you bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Complete your drawing and
Bye,
send the
ma'am.
photo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am. Hope we see you on next Saturday.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye. Hope we see you on Sunday also.
Okay.
Bye everyone. Hope you had a wonderful session.